Well, I haven't been able to mill in months. It started. It's a Christmas miracle. Boxing Day miracle. I'm going to try to mill this great big son of a gun. There's no way I'm going to lift it up with the tractor. It's got to be 28, 30 inches across. I'll show you a measurement. But first I'm going to put a new blade on. Alright then. The ripper. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like a bear trap ready to spring. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It won't go. What in the hell, boys? Alright, it's gonna take both hands. Oh! Ha ha! I'll save you the consternation of watching me trying to get that son of a gun on there. It's always a circus. But there's new blade. And of course it's totally backwards when I dumped it here in the spring, so we'll have to turn it all the way around with little baby tractor. Maybe I'll go get my wife's big tractor. Fuck. A little bit of problem with the cooling, just the blade coolant. Just poked the pokey up in the pokey, fixed it. Let it set for a while and that happens. Kind of like reprime it. Hopefully I can get this thing turned around. It weighs 1,000 pounds easy. It's about breaking a ram on the tractor. I have to go back up to the house and get the hand crank this son of a gun up on there, because none of the tractors I got will lift it. Typical, last place I looked for it. Log of this size is pretty much a nightmare on a manual mill, without any hydraulics, and one-armed guy trying to crank that son of a gun. This ought to be good. There's my problem. Can't back straight up. Fuck. Yeah. That's like a 35-inch cottonwood. That's going to be firewood. There's no way I'm going to mill that son of a gun. Maybe. I'm not sticking my arm under there. Oh, safety first. Oh, there it is. Hallelujah. Oh, this is going to be a long day. Instead of pulling it up on here with my bad shoulder, I'll just push it a little, then crank it to hold it. And there could be a cluster. Think of the cluster. She's a roller though. Sexy. May have to go get a chainsaw before I get it up on the mill. I can't remember if I can only do 8/6. I know I gotta get past that. I've got a few inches down there. I'll scooter and see what happens. Scoot. Got $1 for you. Whoa. I moved it much, really. Problem is, once I get it on there, it's so heavy, I'm not going to be able to scoot it even with them bunks. Oh, look at that. Whoa, little twist. What? Bad twisticle. It's a twisticle. Now, maybe I'll get it on there and then try to move it. Just a nightmare. Yeah, see, I got to get it past those 2 bolts. I know that I can't cut past them boogers. So, oh, but look at, all I did was move the legs. Hopefully I still get it cranked up on here. Yeah, I wish I had 3 hands so I could have, you guys could have seen it come on here. It was pretty scary. But it is not down past there. I don't know. Probably going to be easier just to go get a chainsaw, hack it off. Not whack it off, hack it off. I said, dang it. Oh. Old fat guys do really funny things. I wish you were here to see this. Cluss. Beautiful. Beautiful cluss. Yeah. Chainsaw one way or the other, because I got to cut that son of a gun off. Gotta go change over to the forks anyway. So I can get these. It's going to be giant cants, as big as I can make them, so I can just get this thing turned. I sent the guys out alone last time. I guarantee that my saw is dull. Guarantee it. Let me think. Oh. Lots and lots of clustorial fuckery. I'm gonna have to just cut her down to, I think it's 9. I'll cut it down to 8.6, and that ought to get me what I need, because I ain't gonna scoot it on these bunks without breaking something. Oop. Oh. Ow. Ow. I gotta do this two-handed. Yeah, there was no turning this around, so I'm gonna have to take the toe board down to the other end if it's way off. So there's only a 1/2 inch difference. I'm gonna just roll with it this way and try to get her flat. And I gotta turn it over. Treats. Think I got it. Think I'm ready. The way this usually works though is I get about there and I think, and I remember all the shit I forgot to do. All right, get her going. I need 3 slabs. I'll run them. If there's any left over, I'll take a 4-inch can, take it off with the tractor. Then I'm going to try to spin it. Perf. Alright, there's the cap off. I'll do a couple, probably 3 2-inch slabs, I think. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One. All right, so I've cut 4 just because they were turning out pretty. So I don't know, I'm probably done with the slabs though. Now I got to figure out how to turn it over and get a can or 2 out of it and cut some dimensional lumber. Great. Probably take these over there and stack them by themselves. Then all that dimensional lumber will get stacked by itself. Hell, that last one there had to weigh 150, 200 pounds. I got 4 of them. All right. Hopefully I'll get the dimensional in here. That's pretty much halvesies. I think I'll wait till tomorrow to flip it. It's going to be a wrestling match, and I am not feeling it today. Oh, you might see it. I gotta put a washer in there, I think. If you look, can you see that? The way that crack goes? Yeah, this one don't do that. It hits the nuts there. Anyways, second half, another time. Buck!